Hello, folks. Before we get started, overcoming fear of failure, I want to introduce you to Max Gerstenmaier, Trevor Carr, and Fergal Downs. Now, they are three of my coaches, and they will help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so if you're interested, make sure you click on that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review of overcoming fear of failure. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 4 mega bonuses. Bonus number 1 is an affiliate marketing made easy, and it shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. Bonus number 2 provides access to our full-length 28 videos from our executive series. Now, each video is professionally designed and includes an introduction, a content roadmap, and discussion points. And this is a $295 touch, folks, so it's a major bonus. Bonus number 3 is a Man Up Men Take Care of Yourself PLR bundle, and this is a deep dive into why men have difficulty in balancing their lifestyle and what they can do about it. It provides a 15,000 word ebook, 48 man-up tips, references, 10 articles, free images, 3 infographics, 4 posters, checklists, email follow-up, sales material, and a further 6 bonuses. A huge bonus. And bonus number 4 is the Changing Workplace, How Leaders Influence Change PLR package. Now, this provides practical strategies, constructive approaches, and ways to engage people to make positive changes. It's a resource for consultants, coaches, bloggers, e-marketers, and leaders of all types. The vendor of this product is Sejan Alanthor, and he's an elite content creator, and this product is one of his products for coaches, course creators, and online marketers. I have purchased courses from Sejan in the past and certainly recommend this product. In a nutshell, overcoming fear of failure is a full PLR product that you can brand as your own and reap the rewards. Now, things you should know about this product: it's complete with edible rights. After all, it's PLR. You'll be able to tap into a massive global audience in the personal and development niche. It's an evergreen niche with high demand. And because it's PLR, you can rebrand it, revamp it, put your name on it as an author. You've got the choice. And you can also use it for your membership site, a blog, or split the content for multiple uses. In the front end, you get a premium quality ebook, 5 ebook covers, a workbook, Overcoming Fear of Failure cheat sheet. You get a sales letter, a thank you page, promo sales video. You also get a set of professionally designed graphics, high converting promotional email swipes, 10 impact social media images, and short videos with a license pack. And you also get the private label rights. Plus, you get 4 bonuses. 10 proven ways to incorporate meditation into your daily routine, 10 proven ways to heal and balance the chakras, the ultimate handbook, innovative strategies for maximizing your packages and earn potential, and a sales funnel setup training. All of those are PLR packages. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $14.95 and goes up to $19.95 depending on when you jump in. I suggest you jump in early to get the best price. Now, there are 3 OTOs, one for $37, another one for $77, and another final one for $127. And there are some downsells, so make sure that you check them out, and you might save some money, but you might also get less product. And if you need to know more, on overcoming fear of failure, click that second link below and then get the full story. And before I go, here's my bonuses. Affiliate Marketing Made Easy. Access to your full-length 28 videos from our executive series. Man Up Men, Take Care of Yourself PLR bundle with a further 6 bonuses. The Changing Workplace, How Leaders Influence Change PLR package for consultants, coaches, and bloggers, e-marketers, and leaders of all stripes. And you also receive Sejan's 4 bonuses. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and consider this product, and we'll see you next time.